Good morning students, this is your EVS period, means environmental studies. So take out your book. In the previous video we have discussed about the chapter. Today we are going to do the exercise. So take out your book and open the lesson number 5. Okay. This is your lesson number 5, are close. So take out your exercise on page number 26. Write down the date and quotation. What is the date today? 4th August, student. Now August month is started. Okay. So we have write down 8 here. Okay. 4/8/20. And then never give up. This is your quotation. Then pick up the blue pencil. Okay. First is tick the right answer. Your question number 1 is clothes protect us from. Tell me the answer. Heat, cold. Both of these. Yes. Clothes protect us from heat and cold. Both. So we write down all of these. Or here we write heat and cold. Second, we get cotton from. Tell me the answer. Cotton plant, sheep or camel? From where we get the cotton? Yes, from the cotton plant. So we write here cotton. And we tick the A. Number 3, clothes made from wool keep us. Clothes made from wool keep us warm, cool or dry. The clothes made from wool, it means they are woolen clothes, so they keep us warm. Okay. So tick the number A and write here warm. Then number 4, they do not wear uniform. Who do not wear uniform? Doctors, of course they wear uniform. Cobblers and policemen. Policemen also wear uniform, but cobblers are not wearing the uniform. So we write here cobblers. Cobblers who mend the shoes. Okay. And write down the tick here. Okay. Match the following. Student, here are some 4 questions and answers are given in front of this. You have to choose the correct answer and match the answers with the blue pencil. Cotton clothes. When we wear cotton clothes? In summer, in rainy, on birthday or postman? So student, we wear cotton clothes in summer. Take the scale and match number 1 from B. And the second one is waterproof clothes. Waterproof clothes like gumboots and raincoats. When we wear? Yes, we wear on rainy day. Colorful clothes. When we wear colorful clothes? On birthday or marriage parties. Uniform. Who wears uniform? Postman. Now, number C, fill in the blanks with the words given below. Here is a box. Some words are given here. You have to choose the words from the box and write it here. Okay. Number 1, we use, the words are sheep, regional, fiber and umbrella. Regional means, student, regional means belonging to the area wise people lived. Number 1, we use. So student, sheep, regional, fiber and umbrella. What we use on rainy day? Of course umbrella. So we write here umbrella. Do your work neatly. Okay. You have to write down this spelling correctly. Number 2, people in different states wear regional clothes. Here you see there are some regional clothes. Punjab people, Punjabi are wearing this type of clothes. Kashmirian wears this type of cloth. Rajasthani. Okay. So we have here write regional. The spelling of regional is REGIONAL. Okay. Number 3, we get wool from. Yes, this answer everyone you know. So student, this answer you must be knowing na. The thread used to make clothes is called fiber. So your exercise is completed here now. No, number D is also here. Write T for true and F for false. Okay. Number 1, we wear cotton clothes in winter. It is false statement. We wear cotton clothes in summer season. Number 2, cotton and wool are natural fibers. Tell me the answer. Number 2, cotton and wool are natural fiber. So student, you know cotton, from where we get cotton? From the cotton plant. And wool we get from the sheep. So these are both are natural. So the fiber we get from these are natural fibers. Okay, so this statement is true. Children wear uniform in school. Students, when you come to the school, you wear uniform. So children we wear uniform in school. It is also true. And the last one is we wear dull clothes on wedding. So student, what we wear in wedding? Bright color clothes. Okay, like lehenga and colorful clothes we wear on marriage parties. So this statement is wrong. Now your all exercises completed. All exercises are completed. You have to learn these exercises and write it very neatly in your book. Thank you.